Hey guys, so I know the entire day so far has been a montage. I've just been on the go since I woke up. It is currently 2:30 and I'm hungry for a lunch. I have not eaten a lot today. I had my breakfast, obviously you guys saw, but I am so hungry right now. I'm about to fall. I'm like balancing on my feet. So I'm gonna be making a quick lunch. I'm a simple gal when it comes to lunch. I feel like I always have something kind of basic, kind of boring. I think I'm gonna make like a quick kind of veggie taco situation. I'm just trying to use like some old food. So I have some tortillas left. I have, maybe I'll do vegan fish tacos because I have some vegan fish. Let's just do something quick and easy. I'm not gonna make it too complicated. I have some tortillas, I have my corn, my LaCroix, I have some vegan fish sticks. Usually I do cauliflower, but I only had broccoli, so we're gonna make it work. And then I have some chow cheese and this coconut chickpea lime dressing. This is one of my favorite meals and it's very easy and quick to make. guys, so I'm back for dinner. I got really lazy. I had a few snacks in between that I didn't show, but I had one of these cookies and it was so good. And of course more carrots and hummus. And now I'm gonna be having this Sweet Earth Veggie Lovers pizza. I don't think I've ever tried this one before. I'm really excited to see how it is. So let's go bake this up, shall we? This is what the pizza looks like. I'm so excited to try it. I was really in the mood for pizza. Jack and my little sister got pizza and I didn't have any, so I wanted to get my own. They never be adding enough cheese to like frozen pizza. I'm gonna add on the Chow Creamy Original shreds on top. They put literally 4 shreds of cheese. Like, what am I supposed to do with that? That's looking a lot better. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven and I'll show you guys when it's done. Hey guys, editing, Mad Threads here. So I forgot to film an outro, which I am just the queen of doing, so I'm filming it now. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you do want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments, or just like let me know what you want to see in general, because I'm always down for some requests. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. I am screaming. When I started my YouTube channel, I was literally like 11 or 12 years old. It wasn't this channel, it was a different one. Maybe I should do like a video reacting to my first YouTube video. Oh my gosh, that'd be so cringe. Basically what I'm trying to say is 12-year-old me would be screaming if she had 2,000 subscribers. So I love every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for your support and love. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.